Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is all about the brand new SUMMERWEEN eyeshadow palette from Gourmande Girls. This was kindly gifted in PR, and I do have an affiliated code with her, Riri10, to save you 10%. I will have all of the launch details and everything on the screen, as well as in my description box and the pinned comment. I'll pop on some swatches. I'm going to create 2 looks, and then I will come back and give you guys some of my thoughts. And here are my two finished looks using the brand new Gourmande Girls Summerween eyeshadow palette. Of course, you will see this up close as well as with flash. My thoughts. I think if you are into this type of a color story, you are a colorful beauty, I think you'll love this. I do think that you can make semi-neutral looks with like the gray and the brown, but generally speaking, it's more rainbow-esque, very bright, bold, and colorful. I like the addition of some of the neon shades in here, and I do think everything pairs well together. We've got like bluey greeny, we've got like the pinks, the purples, and everything. As you can see, everything works beautifully together. I found that the mattes are her kind of standard formula. I think everything blended out well. They're incredibly pigmented, but very, very easy to work with. I think she has a very beginner-friendly formula as well. The shifts and flips in the multi-chromes is quite apparent. My only thing, you guys know I like something light and bright for the inner corner, something iridescent, something like that, something I can use as a highlighter and things like that. And the shade Solar Scare is just slightly more dry in the pan. It does look beautiful on the lid and it does smooth out, as you would have seen from swatches. That's the only thing that I can kind of point out that's a little bit more of a negative, if you will. I think that this is going to be a beautiful companion palette to the rest of her palettes that are kind of this same layout. So I'm thrilled. I love both of these looks equally. I'm wearing pink, so I feel like looking at myself in my mirror, I kind of have a preference for this one today. Plus purple with brown eyes. Match made in makeup heaven, you guys. I'd like to know which look you guys prefer. Comment down below and let me know. Is this something that you're eyeing? Are you gonna pick this up, or is this one a pass for you? No wrong answers, of course. Don't forget that this was gifted by Gourmande Girls, and I do have that code RIRI10 to save you 10%. That is affiliated, so if you do choose to use it, I do earn a small commission, so thank you in advance. Thank you, of course, to Gourmande Girls for gifting. That is it for today. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype my videos, you can turn on the bell so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.